Chapter 2. Our growth. A baby cannot speak, eat, sit or stand. It depends on its mother for all its needs. A mother has the natural ability to understand the needs of her baby. A baby communicates by crying or through facial expressions. Babies usually cry when they are uneasy, wet or hungry. A baby grows up to become a child. Baby nurturing. Growing up. The growth in our body is natural. Eating food helps in growth and development. Growing up. Stages of growth. Our body is made up of millions of cells. These cells keep growing bigger till they divide into two. With time, these cells divide into 4 cells and this process continues. At one stage, our body starts destroying more cells than it makes. That is the stage when our body stops growing. It happens between the age of 16 to 22. After that, our body does not grow anymore. Growth stages. Measuring height. Our height is measured in inches, centimeters and feet. To measure your height, stand straight against a ruler. Your father or mother can put a mark on the ruler. Then the distance between the floor and the point marked on the ruler is measured. 1 meter, m, 100 centimeter, cm. Common units for measuring weight are gram and kilogram. 1000 gram, g, 1 kilogram, kg. Height measurement. Likes and dislikes. Our sense organs help us to hear, see, taste, smell and feel things around us. We all have similar sense organs that perform the same functions, but our brain senses them differently. That is the reason we have different likes and dislikes. Our likes and dislikes in food and clothing may be similar to some of our family members, or may be entirely different. They are determined by our environment, taste, exposure, traditions, and our mental state. Mechanism of motor and sensory nerves. Stimulus. Sense organs. Sensory nerves sends messages. Brain receives and processes messages. It forms responses. Motor nerves carry commands for reaction. Body parts. Reaction. When our sense organs sense something, the information is carried to the brain by the sensory nerves. The sensory nerves send messages to the brain. The brain then processes the messages. After that, it sends commands through motor nerves to the body parts to act accordingly. The differently abled. In some people, a sense organ or a body part does not work properly. In such people, rest of the sense organs become stronger and sharper than the normal people. Such people are called differently abled. People who cannot hear or speak use the sign language to communicate. The sign language involves the use of some special expressions and the movement of hands and fingers to communicate with others. Some people may not have an arm or a leg. Such people require special help such as crutches, wheelchairs or ramps for movement. Hearing impaired people use hearing aids to hear clearly. Some people might have more complex physical or mental problems. Yet, they learn to overcome these problems and move ahead in life. Let us learn about some famous differently abled people who overcame their disabilities and made a huge difference to the world. Helen Keller. Helen Keller was born on 27 June 1880 in Tuscumbia, Alabama, U.S. When she was just 19 months old, she became seriously ill, which made her deaf and blind for the rest of her life. But she overcame all the challenges in her life to become the first deaf and blind person to earn a Bachelor of Arts degree from Harvard University, 1904. Later, she became a famous writer, a social worker and an orator. Helen Keller. At the age of 22, Keller wrote her autobiography, The Story of My Life. Helen Keller is admired and respected all over the world for her perseverance, courage, and strength of mind. The Braille script. Braille script was developed by a French student named Louis Braille in 1821. It is a useful aid for reading by visually impaired people. Louis Braille. In the Braille script, 6 raised dots are arranged in different patterns, each representing a different letter of the alphabet. The visually impaired people feel and understand them by moving their fingers. Nowadays, this script is used in many languages.